In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find futures on Thinkorswim. By the end, you'll know exactly where futures live in the platform and how to pull up the contracts you want with confidence. Start by opening Thinkorswim, then go straight to the Trade tab at the top of the platform. This is the hub for market instruments, and it's where you'll access futures. Once you click Trade, look just below the main tabs. You'll see sub-tabs, including All Products and Futures Trader. These two areas are where futures are displayed and traded, and each serves a slightly different purpose. All Products is the all-in-one workspace. It shows quotes and order entry for a variety of instruments, stocks, options, and futures included, all in a single place. If you prefer keeping everything under one roof, this view is ideal. Think of it as your universal search and trade area. When you type a symbol here, you'll see detailed quote information, and the order entry tools appear right alongside it, so you can review pricing context before placing a trade. Futures Trader, on the other hand, is a dedicated interface designed specifically for futures contracts. It's optimized for speed and focus, with panels you can customize to match your workflow. If you like a concentrated futures view, this layout is useful. You can adjust the panels to highlight the most important details for you, such as the contract you track most often, and arrange the information to make scanning and execution more efficient. To pull up a futures contract in either sub-tab, enter a futures symbol. In Thinkorswim, all futures symbols begin with a / followed by the contract code. That leading / tells the platform you're looking for a futures product rather than a stock or ETF. For example, type /ES for the E-mini S&P 500, /NQ for the E-mini NASDAQ, or /YM for the Dow Jones. Once you enter the symbol with the /, the platform will display the corresponding futures information in the view you're using, whether that's the comprehensive All Products page or the streamlined Futures Trader interface. As you explore, notice how All Products keeps everything integrated, while Futures Trader narrows the focus to a futures-first workflow. Use whichever suits your style. The key is remembering the / and the correct contract code so the platform pulls up the futures market you intend to analyze or trade. That's all you need to find futures on Thinkorswim. Open the Trade tab, choose your preferred sub-tab, and enter the symbol with a /. Happy trading!